In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build an automation that automatically goes ahead and updates the information of your YouTube metrics in the Google Sheet, so that way you have a clear view on which videos are performing well, and it will be sending an email to you. So let me go ahead and show you how the workflow looks. Execute workflow right here. This is the workflow we'll be building. Execute workflow, it goes and it grabs the latest videos, gets the video details, it stores the analytics of it, and then it grabs the videos, it sorts it into the top 3, and then it sends an email, which we can go ahead and go into the email. And then right here it sent us the email, your top 3 YouTube videos this week, and I had it formatted neatly like this. So here's my top 1 right there, 14 views, which you will see stored inside of the Google Sheets named YouTube videos analysis, where I store all of the information regarding the YouTube videos. So it went ahead, it got the top 1 right there, and then the second one that performed well, and then third one, and all of this was built inside of n8n, and it updated everything for you. Or you don't have to manually go and check it each single time, because here we have a scheduled trigger that will activate whenever you set it to activate. So in case you set it to activate each day, then it will go ahead and do it each day on its own and send you the email whenever it's finished with gathering the top 3 information. Now I will have the code of the build HTML body in the link in the description, so you can go ahead and copy and paste that for yourself, so you can get a similar look that I have right here. And also you want to go ahead and you want to quickly go ahead and set up a Google Sheet that looks exactly this way. So the title, video ID, the views, likes, comments, and saves. Now the video ID here is specifically here so that we're able to identify the video, so it's unique to that specific video. All right, then let's get started immediately on building this workflow. All right, we'll go ahead and name that YouTube Metrics Analyzer Template. So the first thing you want to go is you want to go ahead, search the scheduled trigger, and here you can make it activate whenever you want to set it. So I want to make it look at all of my videos and update the information daily and not hourly. So I'll leave it just the way that is, days in between, and this will be at midnight while I'm still asleep, where it will update that. So I wouldn't really want that, so let's say at 7 a.m. right there. So then that every day at 7 a.m. it will start the automation on its own. Then right after that, you want to go ahead, you want to search YouTube, and then you want to come over here and select get many videos. Select that. Now here where it says credentials, you'll have to quickly go ahead and set up your credentials. I won't really be showing you that. I'm just going to show you the workflow. Return all right there. Go to YouTube and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you're inside of YouTube Studio, you will find your own channel's unique ID, which is right here. Everything starting from the UC, everything after that right there is your unique channel ID, which you want to go ahead and you want to copy and you want to paste it right there. So you want to go ahead, you want to copy here where it says filters, add option, channel ID, and put in that ID that you just went ahead and grab from the YouTube Studio. Then after that, you want to come here, you want to go ahead and type in loop over. Here where it says loop over items, you want to split that into 50 for in case you have about more than 50 videos, so that it handles each one without breaking the automation. So 50 videos right here where it says replace me, delete that. Come on over here, type in set, edit fields, get video details. Then you want to go ahead here where it says name, video underscore ID. Each video will have its own ID, just like the channel had its own unique one. Leave that open for now. And then after that, you want to go ahead, you want to type in YouTube once again, and then get video right here. So get video, and here where it says video ID, we'll leave that open right for now. We'll go ahead and enter in some wrong information. Now what you quickly want to go and do is just go ahead and execute the workflow. Even if all of the input is incorrect, that's what we want, because we want to work with input. So go back to get video details, drag in the ID, so the video ID right here, drag that into the value, get over here where it says get a video, and then the video ID, go ahead and drag that here where it says video ID, take away that stuff that we added there, so you're only left with the video ID that you dragged all the way from there. So get video, and then it will return all of the video's information. So execute workflow once again, get video, and as you can see, it successfully got the video details, all of the videos on my entire channel. Now what you want to do is then go to add, then Google Sheets, and then append or update row in sheet. That way, if it's already inside of the Google Sheet, it just goes ahead and it updates that video's information. But in case it's not there, then it goes ahead and it adds it into the document. Go ahead, select the document where you're storing all of the video analysis, or YouTube video analysis from me right there. And here it says sheets. The first sheet, seeing as I only have one, then mapping column mode. Here you want to go ahead and specifically column to match on the video ID, seeing as the video ID is unique to each one. So drag in the ID there. Here where it says title, go all the way down to where it says localized, so drag in the title right there. Here where it says views, go down, and here you can see view count right here, drag that in there. Like count, drag it to the likes. Where it says comments, drag the comment count right there, and here where it says saves, it's the favorite one, so just go ahead and save it right there as well. And here rename that store video analytics. Then it goes ahead and it stores all of the video analytics in there. Here where it says done, then go over here, type in aggregate, and then here it says in individual fields, go ahead, type in select all item data, and then leave everything as it is. Now the reason we're adding that is so that it does not go ahead and individually handle each one row by row, seeing as we only wanted to go ahead and look at everything all at once. So aggregate right here, then go ahead, Google Sheets, and now you want to specifically get rows in sheet right there. Then where you're storing all of the analytics, get YouTube video analysis, and then sheets right there. So get video analytics right there. Then you want to go ahead, click, type in code right there, code in JavaScript, and here where it says all of this, now you want to remove that, go ahead and copy everything right there. It will be down in the description. Copy that back into the node right there, and here we can just go ahead and rename it build HTML body. All right, great. Then after that, you want to go ahead and search Gmail node, Gmail, send a message, and here where it says tool, you can just go ahead and put in your email there directly, because you won't be changing that at all, because you're the one that wants the information and not someone else. Here where it says subject, go ahead and then that right there, and then a $ JSON.subject. And then you just go ahead and you leave that. And here where it says message expression right here, and just come ahead and JSON.html, and you just go ahead and you leave that. All right, it seems I was wrong here. It says HTML. You want to go HTML underscore body, and that's really all you want to do. And then here it says option, add option, append in n8n attribution, toggle it off, sender name, you can add in your own name, and that is everything right there. Now what we want to go ahead and do is execute the workflow, gets all of the videos, it updates all of the videos inside of the Google Sheet, it gets the top 3, and now it's finished sending the email, and we can go ahead and check our emails. And as you can see, an email was successfully sent to me, and it sorted out the top 3 videos once again. So stop sending the emails one by one, 14 views, likes, comments. It has all of that, and basically how it determines which one is top 1, 2, or 3 is it goes off of the views and not the likes or the comments. So it specifically checks how many views that video got. And that is how you build this automation that goes ahead and it gives you a YouTube report of the top 3 performing videos that you have, so that you can focus more on which videos are performing well, so you can create more of those videos. Now, in case you want this workflow here that I created and you don't want to go ahead and build it out manually, I will have it down in the link in the description, so you can just go ahead and grab that. And this is the end of the video. I hope you found that useful.